Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by picking the right account type for your goals. TFSA for tax-free gains, RRSP for retirement, or margin for leverage. Once chosen, complete KYC quickly, upload your SIN and ID, and sign electronically. Next, link your bank and fund the account using Interac e-transfer or a wire. Make sure transfers include your Questrade reference. Take these first steps now, so you can move straight into research and trading without delay. Once funded, build a watch list and use Questrade's web platform or IQ Edge to analyze charts and news. You can toggle candle views and indicators. When ready, choose your order type, market for speed, limit to control price, stop limit to manage downside, and confirm size and order duration. Make sure to check commissions and any FX conversion because US stocks trigger currency fees. Adjust order sizes to keep costs efficient and aligned with your plan. You finish by managing positions and planning exits. Use trailing stops or take profit orders to lock gains and rebalance periodically. When withdrawing, sell holdings if needed and request a withdrawal via Interac e-transfer or wire. Account transfers use a CATS and can take days. If something goes wrong, a hold, failed transfer, or verification delay, contact Questrade support via chat or phone and reference your transfer ID. They resolve most issues within 24 to 48.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.